Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So let's open the Facebook. But before that, you have to install Facebook in your phone. So let's go into Play Store. If you're using iOS, then just go to the App Store and search Facebook over here and just install it. I have already, so I will just open this mobile application. Now, on the top right side corner, you can see the three lines, right? That is a menu bar. Just click on there. Now again on the top right side corner, you will see the settings icon. Click on that, right? And after that, you have to just wait for a few seconds. And here you will see the account center. If you can't see it, just go to the search bar and find it over there. Now click on here. Now click on profiles. Okay, and again just wait for a few seconds here. After that, you can see your page and your profile. If you want to change your name of your page, you can do it. And even if you want to change your name of your profile, you can also do it. So let's, for example, I will choose this option. And after just few seconds, you will get this option of name. Just click on the name, and after that, you can just change the name here. But make sure you can't put any punctuation or full stop or any underscore. If you want to, and if you have changed your name, and if you want to change the name again, you can only do it after 60 days. So make sure only change your name if you are 100% sure about it. And once you have changed your name, just click on save, and that's it, your name has been changed. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.